Hello children, today we are going to learn very important topic of probability, that is the concept of tossing coins. How many coins do you see in the hand? That's only one coin. Yeah. Suppose if you toss a coin, what are the possible outcomes? Yeah, you can say you may get heads or you may get tails. Nobody can surely say that I'll get heads. So when we toss when we toss a coin, the possible outcomes are heads or tails. So the total number of outcomes here are 2. So the probability of getting heads is 1 by 2, and probability of getting tails is also 1 by 2. So we can say they are equally likely outcomes. Okay, just imagine what will happen if you toss, if there are 2 coins in your hand and you are tossing them together, 2 coins together. Let's see what happens. Here you have how many coins? 2 coins. When you toss 2 coins together, then the possible outcomes will be different. The sample space, I can say, that will be different. So for the first coin, I can say here for the, let me draw a coin here, small coin. Yeah, this is the first coin. So on the first coin I may get heads, tails. Then on the second coin, this is the second coin, I may get head, tail again, then head, tail. This is called tree diagram. So this is the simplest method of writing the possible outcomes by using the tree diagram. So this is the first coin and this is the second coin. This one is the second one. So the possible outcomes will be like this: H, the first one, then H tail, HT, then TH, then TT. These are the possible outcomes when you toss 2 coins. So you can write it in this way. So we have learned about this concept in our previous class. Now just imagine there are 3 coins in your hand and you're tossing them. How many possible outcomes do we have? Like for 1 coin we have 2 outcomes, for 2 coins we have 4 possible outcomes. Okay, for 3 coins how many possible outcomes can we have? Let's see that question now. So there is a question in the reader in which a game consists of tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times. Tossing 1 rupee coin 3 times is same like tossing 3 coins simultaneously and noting its outcomes each time. So we are tossing 1 rupee coin 3 times and noting its outcomes each time. Now there is a boy Hanif. Yeah, Hanif wins if all the tosses gives the same result, that is 3 heads or 3 tails, and loses otherwise. Now we have to find what is the probability that Hanif will lose the game. So before we go to the probabilities, first we should frame the sample space. Now you might have understood how to draw the tree diagram like we have done in the previous 2 coins. So there is a tree diagram you can see here. This is for the first coin, head and tail. Second coin, the tree branches goes like this, head, tail. The other branch goes from tail, head, tail. Then from each one, then again the branch, head, tail, head, tail. This way you have to draw the tree for 3 different coins. Is it clear, everyone? Now then you have to write the outcomes. Now you can see the outcomes here. Okay, first one will be H H H, you can see here. The second one will be H H T, H H T. Yeah, next, coming to the second branch, H T H, then you can see here H T H, then H T T. Okay, 4 outcomes we have got. Next, coming to the next one, tail, T H H, T H H, sorry, T H T. Then let me erase this. Okay, then T T H, then T T T. So this way carefully you have to write the sample space. Now you can see here, according to our question, Hanif wins if all the tosses gives the same result. So suppose you're tossing 3 coins and you got heads on all 3, so Hanif wins. Or if you get tails on all 3, so Hanif wins. So probability of Hanif winning will be 2 by 8, because there are total 8 outcomes. How many outcomes do we have here? Total 8. You can count here all this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 2 by 8. Now if you get these, if you won't get heads on all, or if you won't get tails on all, then Hanif is losing. So what is the probability of Hanif losing the game? It will be 6 by 8. That comes out to be 3 by 4. This is the probability of Hanif losing, and this is the probability of Hanif winning. Probability of winning, if you simplify this also, it's 1 by 4. So probability of losing is more when compared to the probability of winning.